What's up, everyone? Alright, so this is the trade that took yesterday. So it was 14 hours. It was almost the end of the day of the daily candle closed, and the market selection. Probably I was looking at this waves right here and expecting the price to push a little down here to the trend line. The daily, we see that we broke through a little bit, so I was expecting again the same to push a little down to retest that break. And the 1 hour, I just have it. Well, yeah, this is not still not in play. This Fibonacci I just added, just a replay. And 15 minute. Okay, so here was the entry. So I entered in this candle right here as a type 1 in this trend line, and as a type 2 on this swing low. So I placed a 0.3% risk, and yeah, so I just looked at this swing high and expecting a lower low, and let's see what happened. Little profit here. We broke through a little bit the trend line, kind of got a retest, and at this point it already closed the day, and I had to do some things, so I wasn't able to monitor very good the charts. Okay, now the stop loss was a little up. It was about 10 pip stop loss, and I didn't get out of the trade here, so probably, yeah, it was something around here. And yeah, it was basically a 1-to-1 trade, probably. So at this point, probably, yeah, at this point I probably would get out of the trade, because we broke already this trend line. We already broke this past highs, so maybe the break and retest and then push a little up. But I didn't close it because I wasn't in the charts, so I didn't notice it at the time. So yeah, around this point right here, I think I close it. I manually close it right here. So yeah, I just basically, by the same criteria, I saw that it broke through a little bit, retest, and then I was expecting a push out, but we can see it went down and took profit, but I closed the trade around this area, around this level, with a little loss. And but I mean, I think it was a pretty decent way to manage the trade, because in the 1 hour I was expecting as well probably to reach at least at the 50%. So I was expecting maybe a push here at least to kind of make sense in this wave, then push down, but we didn't make it, so we pushed down from here. So looking at right now, probably wouldn't take this trade based on that same criteria, that probably we're gonna move at the 50% of this wave, but it ended up being a nice move, so it is what it is. Probably I would have closed the trade when it reached this level right here, this trend line, and closed as a type 1. I probably would have closed the trade, or at least a good position, a good amount of it, and or probably at the break of this high, and then maybe this area, maybe. But yeah, that's it. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Take care.